This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf Black Label 39JMBL is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 4 inches in length and features a ACADIA interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, slide out, external shower, water heater, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, skylight, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf Black Label 39JMBL is 12,589 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.